How would you like to go to the gym to lose weight, and then the more you work out, the more weights you lift, the more cardio you do, the cleaner you eat, the more weight you gain? It'd be futility, wouldn't it? That's how the market today feels. It's absolute futility. And I know many of you feel that. I feel that. Yeah, I know there's opportunities out there, but it's an absolute futility. I mean, think about this. You're an investor, you put a lot of work into due diligence, understanding your companies, following your companies, and nothing matters. Like, it doesn't matter what company you have, unless, of course, you're in oil and gas. It doesn't matter. Oracle has a huge copper deposit in Mexico. Things are progressing nicely. Doesn't matter. Voxter just got approved for AOL, attorney opinion letter. It doesn't matter. I have other stocks that, like, there's this one company that I wanted to buy at $1.20. Then I didn't buy it. Then it went to like 50. I bought it, and 50 cents. I bought it, and now it's like 30. And it's like, it doesn't matter. Like, it's truly like, it's like you're exercising and gaining weight. It's unbelievable. So it's very easy to get discouraged. And you see, 2020 during the sell-off, when I wrote this book, it was so obvious to me that the bottom was in. Like, I was working so hard, so fast to get the book out, and like I hit the bottom like almost within days. This time it's like I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. It doesn't matter if a company has a 50x potential, 2x, 1000x. Doesn't matter. Nobody wants to own anything. And even another funny thing is, like, when Voxter had this, April 6th, the AOL got approved, and the stock started taking off to almost $2. Like, all of a sudden, I started getting more subscribers to the YouTube channel, and I started getting more subscribers to Microcap Explosions. The moment the stock started going down, everything dried up. Nobody is interested in Microcap Explosions. Well, not more. I got a few. But like, in general, you can see those trends. And even now to YouTube, the last few days, I actually lost subscribers because of where the market is going. So it's amazing. It's amazing to see this. I mean, I always try to teach that during those moments, it's what separates, men from the boys. And I try to, help people and say, hey, this is where when the opportunities are found. This is when you can plant the seed for the future success. But it still feels hopeless, because when you put in the work into anything, you kind of want to see the results. So even though it's frustrating, even though, like, I have no idea when this is going to end, it's going to end when it's going to end, but I'm going to continue looking for deals. No matter how futile it is, I'm going to continue looking for deals. So next week, I'm going to visit another company. I mean, incredible potential, but it's like, saying the word potential is like, probably nobody's going to care. The downside is very limited, but the upside, I mean, could be like 50x, 50, or 100x, like, absolutely. But so is Voxter, and nobody seems to care. So why would they care here? Well, I'm still going to go and look at it. The upside is amazing. So next week I'm going. Probably on Friday. Some of you MCE guys ask me. Probably on Friday after the close. My goal is to release, not this Friday, of course, not tomorrow, but the following Friday after my visit, is to release the report on MCE about this company. And then, but this will be a company that will end up on YouTube, but not at the beginning. So first it's going to go on MCE, and then, I don't know, a month later or 3 weeks later, whatever, I'm going to start talking about it on YouTube. And I wouldn't make any predictions as to the stock price, because I don't even know. I mean, the opportunity is amazing. I think you're gonna like it, but the stock price, who knows? Maybe after I write about it, maybe it will get cut in half because nobody will want it. I can't predict anything in this market. Upside doesn't matter. People are liquidating everything. If there's so much leverage in the system, and people have to sell, crypto, and then they have to get the money from somewhere else. I mean, it's almost like sometimes I think to myself, what's the point of even looking for ideas, right? You get exhausted. But then, I've went through three downturns like this, late 90s. I remember that. It was just the beginning of my investing. 2008, 2009, that was the second. Third was the 2020 sell-off, and now it's the fourth one. So even though it's what's the point? What's the point? You're going to do all this work and nobody's going to care. The stock is going to decline anyway. It doesn't matter if it's 100x, 1000x, whatever. Doesn't matter what the, margin of safety is. It's just none of this matters. So that's the feeling, right? But then I go back to my head and be like, hey, this is the times where you have to look for opportunities. Just like when I wrote this book during the times that it was bad, it turned out very well. So you just have to keep on grinding and see what happens. So that's it for this video. Thanks.